take a look at the types of assessments using Edmodo quizzes. So of course we have formative and summative. I would personally lean more on the formative side because these quizzes are, you can make them as complicated or as lengthy as you want, but I think for the academic integrity and honesty aspect, that a formative assessment would be best. If you're doing a long midterm or final exam, then there isn't really a way to prevent cheating unless you do an additional software. So, and I'm a bit more of a fan of hands-on assessments or on paper and just like eliminating as much distraction as possible. So I personally use these assessments formatively, either for little check-ins that are like more for participation points and little quizzes to really assess their learning. I found that these short answer questions really show me who's paying attention. And even if I would recommend doing a sort of lockdown browser for any of these types of questions if there are grades at stake and it's not just for participation.